More than a year after abrogation of Article 370, mainstream political parties are drawing strategy against the big move there. In fact, the National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has convened a meeting at his residence for chalking out a plan on further course of action on the Gupkar Declaration with regard to the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. The 2019 declaration at Farooq's Gupkar Road residence, a day before abrogation of Article 370, vote to defend Jammu and Kashmir's special status. The PDP president, Mehbooba Mufti, who was released from detention after 14 months on Tuesday, will also be attending that meet along with representatives of 6 political parties. Jammu and Kashmir BJP chief Ravinder Raina promised strict action will be taken against anyone fomenting trouble over repealed special status.
We are not signatories to the Gupkar Declaration, and I think all these parties who have come together to be a part of this so-called Gupkar Declaration, they have had their own agendas. Pre-abrogation of Article 370, PDP had self-rule, National Conference would talk of greater autonomy, pre-53, Sajad Lone Saab has his achievable nationhood. So all that is gone. So after having a loss of face, they don't have anything to go back to their electorate with. What do they go and tell their voters?
महबूबा मुफ्ती के घर में डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला, महबूबा मुफ्ती और उमर अब्दुल्ला की जो मीटिंग हुई है, जिसमें गुपकार एजेंडे को आगे बढ़ाने पर उन्होंने चर्चा की है। ये गुपकार एजेंडा देशद्रोहियों का एजेंडा है, ये गुपकार एजेंडा पाकिस्तान का एजेंडा है। जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता का इस गुपकार एजेंडे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता ने पहले ही इस गुपकार एजेंडे को कूड़ेदान में फेंक दिया है। ये अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, अपने पापों को छिपाने के लिए इस प्रकार का षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं।
Major political developments taking place in Jammu and Kashmir with the release of PDP President Mehbooba Mufti. It seems that the mainstream political parties like PDP, National Conference and others are teaming together to form a strategy against the big decision that was taken in August 2019 on the Article 370 and the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, today is a meeting of all those political parties who had met just before that big decision was taken in 2019 and issued a declaration called Gupkar Declaration. Basically, this declaration had said that no tinkering with the special status of erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir would be allowed. For last 1 year, there has hardly been any activity with regards to politics in Jammu and Kashmir, given the fact that most of these political leaders were either detained or house arrested. But now it seems that there is some steam to the political activity once again. It'll be very interesting to see what kind of strategy these political parties will adopt from here on. With cameraman Tariq Shujaul Haq in Srinagar for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.